In today's video, I will be showing you how to reset your Firefox browser back to its default settings. So if you use your Firefox browser quite a lot but you've been noticing that you've got issues such as it's freezing, not loading, even crashing, or maybe the websites aren't loading properly, then you can actually refresh Firefox back to its original default settings, so hopefully that'll help fix the problem for you. Resetting Firefox will not make you lose essential information like passwords and bookmarks, but you will lose things such as your extensions and any customisations that you've done within the browser. So to do this, all you need to do is open up Firefox, then go to the three lines in the top right hand corner and click onto Help. You now need to select More Troubleshooting Information. Over on the right here where it says Give Firefox a Tune-Up, you just need to click on Refresh Firefox. A pop-up window will now appear, just giving you a little bit more information, just saying what I've basically said. So it will remove your extensions and customisations, and it will hopefully fix any performance issues. But once you're happy, go ahead and press Refresh Firefox. Firefox will now restart. And once it's finished, you'll have this little window saying Success. So you can either restore all the windows and tabs that you currently had open, or you can choose Restore only the ones you want. But once you're happy, press Let's Go. And your Firefox browser is now reset back to its default settings. But that's it for this video on resetting Firefox on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. I hope this video did help you. If it did, hit that like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.